we need to understand few technologies which are surrounding this business intelligence. One is data warehouse. So data warehouse is nothing but the storage system where the data from different data sources is pulled in and stored at particular place. Okay. So you bring in data from Excel files or flat files or SQL server or cloud platforms and put it in single place, single storage location. So that is data warehouse. So this is managed by the data engineers. Okay. So as business intelligence, this area, this exploits such data to extract and produce useful information. That is the business insights. So we connect to the data warehouses and we analyze the data in the business intelligence and we get the useful insights. Okay. So database is like SQL database. So the databases are different, and data warehouse, you pull the data from different data sources. The key thing is here various sources. Okay. So a SQL server becomes one data source. A NoSQL server like MongoDB, that becomes one data source. AWS server, it becomes one data source. An Excel file becomes one data source. Okay. So when you pull all the things together and put it in a single location, that becomes the data warehouse.